Hello friend, today we are going to learn how to use TensorFlow train model. It is TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open source software library released by Google to build and train deep learning model. I am going to show my script. We are using these libraries for train our model using Miniset dataset. Number of classes I have is 10, batch size is 100. Placeholder is same like a variable. I am passing 784, the input shape of my dataset. I'm in train neural network. I'm passing x into it. In train neural network, it x passes into neural network model. In neural network model, I'm defining weight and biases and creating 3 hidden layers and passing the input shape of my data set and add using add function and adding shape of my data set and adding 3 hidden layers into it, and it returns output. The output is find a value of the multiplication of the input weights and output layer of bias values. In train neural network, neural network returns prediction, the output as a prediction. I'm using cost function and use softmax cross entropy and passing prediction that we got from neural network model output using y label as I mentioned above, and using Adam optimizer for learning rate and passing cost into it. Then I create a session for running our code. In session.run, I'm initializing all the variables and then create a for loop and passing 10 epochs into it and creating one more for loop. It run till 550. Then I separate my dataset, min dataset, into features and y labels and then create session.run and passing optimizer and cost function and passing my dataset into x labels features and y labels, and create print function uses for how the accuracy is and number of echoes running. Then I using equal function for evaluating our model. Now I'm going to run my code. It takes time to run, so I'm pausing this video for few minutes. After I get accuracy, now show my result into. We have got 95% accuracy from this model. Thanks for watching.